How to rename videos on Capcut. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna look up on how we can rename our videos using Capcut app. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning with the video, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, of course, you need to download the Capcut application onto your device. After that, log in if you want, and it is one of the free apps that you may use in order to edit your videos. So let's open the app in order to rename our video. So here on the very first page, you can see this project option. So when you tap on this new project, you can just select a video and edit according to however you want. So in order to rename the video, after you edit the video, you will be able to see a list of the projects that you've created on the very first page. So here we get the option of renaming the video. So in order to do that, you may just tap on this three dot here and you can easily see this rename option. Just tap on this rename option and you may just name the project according to you. Just type in whatever you want. Let me just type in whatever I want for now just to show, and tap on confirm, and you can see the name of my video has been renamed just by using this method. So therefore I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.